I'm Vincent. First of all, I would like to greeting for those that who are celebrate the Chinese New Year. So it's so fast, we are now reaching the time for the Chinese New Year's, where they in the worldwide from all the Chinese and the Asian who have a specific holiday and the time greater for this important lunar calendar good year for those people. Of course, it's also for those that who are not celebrate. I believe so. In the worldwide majority of the country, it's actually is a holiday season. So you may see all the play is recorded into carry all those red color. Almost every place. So we hope that it will be good year for everyone and 恭喜发财.